Movies are a pivotal form of leisure and entertainment in our lives. Families catching up to latest blockbusters on weekends, friends bunking classes to pass their time. Movie going is an extremely social activity which strengthens interpersonal bonds and also influences us on a major level. But some movies released out of thousands every year are restricted to adults only, either for their gruesome themes, strong violence, sexual content, or their explicit language. These movies are given an A certificate by the censor board, in which theaters are given strict guidelines of not allowing anyone below 18 to watch these films. But it's completely in the hands of the theater staff to either adhere to these rules or completely neglect them. Personally, I loved watching these movies when I was a minor, and I watched many of these without any disruption from the theater staff. I must say one thing: watching these movies in my early teens did not really corrupt my values or anything, but gave me more exposure to the real world and how everything works in it. As someone who had Deadpool as one of his favorite movies in his early teens, the crude jokes, strong profanity, and gruesome violence in that movie did not really bother me. Instead, it taught me how a flawed character like Deadpool can make this world a better place with his own eccentric ways. Watching movies with adult and mature themes honestly did more good to me than harm. And we cannot really prevent kids from watching these movies anymore because this is the age of internet and they can do it by hook or crook. So we should not really enforce this law of restricting these movies only to adults. Instead, we should adopt what the USA does with R-rated movies. R-rated movies are the equivalent of A-rated movies in which kids below the age of 17 can go with their parents or anyone over 18 to watch these movies, as ultimately the parents have the ultimate decision to decide what is the best for the kid and what not. Judging by the massive box office success of movies like Joker and Kabir Singh recently, we can clearly say that R rated or A rated movies are lucrative enough, and even more so if we ease up the restrictions on them. Art should never be confined to age, and we should always be open to teaching our kids what they are curious about, and also, most importantly, we should make them know that there's a fine boundary between fiction and reality. Then we are good to go.